Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 GMC Canyon takes center stage as one of the most impressive mid-size trucks on the market, combining rugged capability with refined luxury. In today's video, we're going to take you through everything you need to know about the Canyon, from its bold new design and advanced technology to its off-road prowess and interior sophistication. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a city commuter, or someone who needs a truck for work, the Canyon aims to deliver versatility and style in equal measure. Design and exterior features. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 GMC Canyon is its commanding presence. The new design is sharper, more aggressive, and undeniably modern. Up front, the signature C-shaped LED headlights are sleeker than ever, flanking a bold grille that comes in multiple finishes depending on the trim level. The Denali trim, in particular, showcases a premium chrome grille, while the AT4X version flaunts a more rugged, blacked-out look to emphasize its off-road DNA. The body lines are crisp and muscular, giving the Canyon a strong stance that reflects its capabilities. Larger wheel options are available, ranging from 18-inch all-terrain tires on the off-road trims to polished 20-inch wheels for a more refined look on luxury-oriented models. And with an array of vibrant exterior colors, including exclusive shades like desert sand metallic and titanium rush, the Canyon stands out no matter where it goes. For those who enjoy outdoor adventures, the Canyon offers thoughtful design features such as a durable spray-on bed liner, integrated bed steps for easy access, and available LED bed lighting for nighttime visibility. The tailgate also incorporates clever functionality, such as a mid-gate opening for hauling longer items and an optional built-in ruler for job site measurements. Performance and powertrain options. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Canyon packs a punch with its standard 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This power plant is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and delivers a best-in-class 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-to-feet of torque. Whether you're towing heavy loads, tackling steep inclines, or cruising on the highway, this engine provides plenty of power and responsiveness. The Canyon's towing capabilities are equally impressive, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds. That means you can haul trailers, boats, or equipment with ease. For off-road enthusiasts, the AT4X trim comes with a special Baja drive mode that optimizes the truck's performance for high-speed desert running, as well as a front and rear-locking differential for added traction in challenging terrain. GMC also offers an advanced four-wheel drive system with multiple terrain modes to tackle snow, mud, sand, and more. Combine that with a lifted suspension, skid plates, and rock sliders on the AT4X trim, and you've got a truck that's ready to conquer just about any trail. Interior comfort and technology. Stepping inside the 2025 GMC Canyon, you're greeted with a refined and tech-forward cabin. Premium materials are used throughout, with options like leather upholstery, open-pore wood accents, and brushed aluminium trim in the Denali model. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide excellent comfort and support, with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions available. The center of the dashboard is dominated by an 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which runs GMC's latest software. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google services like Google Maps and Google Assistant. The system is intuitive and highly responsive, making it easy to navigate menus and access your favorite apps. In front of the driver, there's a fully digital 11-inch instrument cluster that can be customized to display key information such as navigation, speed, and fuel economy. Higher trims also include a 15-inch head-up display, projecting essential details onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road. The Canyon is equipped with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, a wireless charging pad, and available Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity. ensuring you stay connected no matter where you go. And for audiophiles, the available Bose premium sound system delivers crystal clear audio quality, whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or enjoying a podcast on a long drive. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety has been a top priority for GMC, and the 2025 Canyon is packed with advanced driver assistance technologies to give you peace of mind on every journey. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear view camera. Higher trims add even more advanced systems, such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system that provides a 360-degree view of your surroundings. For off-road enthusiasts, the Canyon's underbody cameras are particularly useful. These cameras give you a clear view of the terrain beneath the truck, helping you navigate rocky trails with confidence. And with the available trailering package, you'll have access to features like trailer hitch guidance and trailer brake control, making it easier than ever to tow safely. Trim levels and customization options. The 2025 GMC Canyon is available in several trims, each catering to a different type of driver. The base elevation trim offers a great balance of features and affordability, while the luxury-focused Denali trim adds premium touches like exclusive interior materials, a unique grille, and advanced technology. For those who crave adventure, the AT4 and AT4X trims are built to handle the toughest trails. These models come equipped with off-road suspension systems, all-terrain tires, and skid plates, as well as additional features like underbody cameras and Baja mode for the ultimate off-road experience. And if customization is important to you, GMC offers a wide range of accessories and packages to make the Canyon truly your own. Whether you want a bed-mounted bike rack, roof-mounted cargo box, or upgraded wheels, the possibilities are nearly endless. Fuel economy and efficiency. Despite its powerful engine and impressive capabilities, the 2025 GMC Canyon manages to deliver respectable fuel efficiency. The 2.7-liter turbocharged engine is engineered for both performance and efficiency, featuring technologies like cylinder deactivation and stop-start functionality to conserve fuel. In city driving, the Canyon achieves an estimated 19 miles per gallon, while highway ratings climb to 24 miles per gallon. Driving experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Canyon strikes a perfect balance between capability and comfort. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections in the road, providing a smooth and composed ride. At the same time, the steering is precise and responsive, making the truck feel surprisingly nimble for its size. Off-road, the Canyon truly shines. The AT4X trim, in particular, is built for serious adventurers, with its lifted suspension, Multimatic DSSV dampers, and rugged tires. Whether you're climbing rocks, crossing streams, or navigating sand dunes, the Canyon feels confident and capable in any environment. Ownership experience. Owning a 2025 GMC Canyon isn't just about the truck itself, it's also about the experience GMC provides. The brand is known for its excellent customer service and comprehensive warranty coverage, which includes a 3-year/36,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year/60,000 powertrain warranty. GMC also offers a variety of maintenance plans and roadside assistance programs to ensure your truck stays in top condition. And with over-the-air software updates, the Canyon's technology will remain up to date, adding new features and improvements over time. Closing thoughts. The 2025 GMC Canyon is a midsize truck that truly does it all. It combines rugged capability with modern luxury, advanced technology, and thoughtful features that make it a standout choice in its segment. Whether you're looking for a reliable work truck, a comfortable daily driver, or an off-road beast, the Canyon has a model that fits your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the 2025 GMC Canyon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. See you next time. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.